Introducing the Magnelex Magnetic Wristband. Designed with strong magnets to make sure that all your screws, nails, and other small working tools stay attached with ease. A double-layered ballistic nylon exterior provides a lightweight, skin-friendly soft fabric that doesn't feel bulky. Moreover, the nylon is designed to be breathable for sweat reduction while working. This specifically designed one-size-fits-all wristband is customized for the needs of professionals who have daily routines of working with screws, nails, drill bits, and other metal parts. Perfect for home improvement, repairs, and do-it-yourself projects. Especially ideal for jobs using ladders, allowing for a hands-free working environment.
Today we are looking at the Ace Magnetic Wristband Tool Belt. Now this is a 2-pack set. One size fits most. The Velcro holds it in place on your wrist. There are 15 strong neodymium magnets. The wristband is made of 100% 1680D ballistic polyester. On the inside is a strap to ensure it stays on your wrist, and the breathable mesh provides maximum comfort to wear all day. The lightweight design is easy to put on and take off, but very durable. It includes 2 pockets to hold non-metallic items. Use them on the worksite or at home to keep your supplies right where you need them and not in your mouth. Use them when working on an automobile to keep everything easily within reach, or use them when working on a computer. They will hold even the smallest of screws, which can be a pain if you drop one. The Ace 2-pack magnetic wristband tool belt is the perfect gift for home improvement for husbands, dads, DIY, mechanics, roofers, construction, and just about anyone. Get yours today.
If you work with tools and hardware, the new magnetic wristband from Magband is exactly what you've been looking for. Keep everything you need for the job right where you need it. The updated model now comes with 10 strong magnets, keeping tools and hardware within easy reach and allows you to save time and effort when working on projects. Made with quality materials and professional construction, this top-notch magnetic wristband features a unique design that can assure unmatched comfort. With lightweight construction and breathable material, it will perfectly hug your wrist, providing you with a steady fit. It also works great on a belt to keep tools and hardware organized. Magband is a must-have for people who are into home improvement, carpentry, woodworking, auto repair. Make it yours now and make your life easier. Magband is the perfect gift for anyone into do-it-yourself projects. It's a must-have item that you never knew you needed, and now you won't be able to live without it. Magband is available online today.
Keep your nails and screws right where you need them with the Rack Magnetic Wristband. No more fumbling through pockets or gritting nails in your teeth. Our wristband is a third helping hand when you need it most. And don't be fooled by the competition. Rack utilizes the strongest magnets on the market for optimal performance. The exterior is wrapped in a 1680D ballistic nylon to withstand a beating. The interior protects your skin with a double-layered soft mesh that allows for max breathability. And with a universal fit design, it can fit just about any wrist, making it a great gift item. But it's not just for your wrist. Strap it to your belt or hang it above your workbench for easy access to the tools you need. Get a third helping hand when you need it with the Rack Magnetic Wristband.